Hello and welcome you all. Today in this video we will do some more questions based on exercise 6.1 of our chapter lines and angles. So our first question for today is, it is given that angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree and XY is produced to point P. Draw a figure from the given information. If ray YQ bisect angle ZYP, then find angle XYQ and reflex angle QYP. So first draw a line XY and produce it to point P. And now draw angle XYZ which is equal to 64 degree. Also draw a ray YQ which bisect angle ZYP. So from this figure we can clearly see that ray YZ stands on line PYQ. Therefore by linear pair we can say that angle XYZ plus angle PYZ is equal to 180 degree. Since we know that angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree, so from here we get angle PYZ which is equal to 180 minus 64 degree. And this is equal to 116 degree. And now from our figure ray YQ bisects angle PYZ. So if ray YQ bisect angle PYZ, then we can say that angle PYQ is equal to angle QYZ. Both are equal. So from here we can say that angle PYQ equal to angle ZYQ is equal to half of angle PYZ. And we know that angle PYZ is equal to 116 degree. So from here we get half of 116 degree which is equal to 58 degree. And now the value of angle ZYQ and angle PYQ is equal to 58 degree. The value of angle XYQ will be equal to angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ. And we know the value of angle ZYQ which is equal to 58 degree. So from here we get angle XYQ which is equal to 122 degree. And now we have to find out reflex angle QYP. So when we subtract the angle QYP which is 58 degree by 360 degree, so we get 302 degree. So reflex angle QYP is 302 degree. Now our second question for today is, in the given figure two straight lines PQ and RS intersect each other at O. If angle POT equal to 75 degree, then find the value of A, B and C. So as per this figure we can say that ray OP and OT stands on line RS. So by linear pair we can say that 4B plus 75 plus B is equal to 180 degree. And from here we get 5B is equal to 105 degree. So B is equal to 21 degree. And now angle QOS equal to angle POR by vertically opposite angles. So from here we can say that A is equal to 4B. And we know that the value of B is 21 degree. So A is equal to 4 into 21 which is equal to 84 degree. And now ray OQ which is stand on line RS. So by linear pair we can say that 2C plus A is equal to 180 degree. So from here 2C is equal to 180 minus 84 degree. Therefore C is equal to 96 degree upon 2 which is equal to 48 degree. So from here A is equal to 84 degree, B is equal to 21 degree and C is equal to 48 degree. And now our third question for today is, in the given figure if X is greater than Y by 1/3 of our right angles, then find the value of X and Y. So according to the question, if X is greater than Y by 1/3 of our right angles, we can write this information as X is equal to 1/3 into 90 plus Y. So from here we get X is equal to 30 degree plus Y. And now by linear pair we can say that X plus Y is equal to 180 degree. So on substituting the value of X which is 30 plus Y, so we get 30 plus Y is equal to 180 degree. So from here 2Y is equal to 150 degree. So Y is equal to 75 degree. And from here X is equal to 30 plus Y. So 30 plus 75 is 105 degree. And now practice these two questions mentioned on your screen and submit me the solution. So this is the end of this video. Thank you so much.